guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here to do another unboxing video. So I have more Erin Condren goodies, and so we are actually just going to go ahead and open this up. I actually don't really remember what I ordered, but it is more free stuff because you guys have been using my referral link. So I didn't actually know that this was going to be delivered so soon, or I would have just waited to order it all at the same time, but whatever, it's here. I do know one thing that's in here, but I don't know what the other thing is. I literally forgot. So let's open this up. You get another one of these gift label looking things. Again, I'm not really sure what these are really called. I'm just calling them gift labels. It's just a little a little sticker that has to and from on it. And then, oh, a postcard that's all types of crooked. Yikes. Oh! I didn't know I ordered all of this, y'all. So let's just talk about it. So I ordered the designer paper tape duo, which is the Woven Wonder. So kind of like a blue theme and then like a rainbow kind of theme. That's super cute. Yeah, I like that. That's cute. So I got this. I also have this petite planner budget book with the 2 sticker sheets. So I actually already ordered one of these in the last, I already have one of these because I ordered one of these in the last haul. So apparently I have 2 of them, but I think, am I giving this away? I think I'm giving this away. And I also ordered this budget book, which is so exciting. Budget book includes 12 monthly budget spreads, weekly spending summary, savings goal tracker, debt tracker, monthly savings and expense spreads, and illustrative metallic sticker sheet. So that is super exciting. I'm actually going to review this. Sorry. I have this leopard or cheetah. I'm not even going to lie because I don't really know what print this is, but I do have this little sticker sheet, and it is for the monthly. So I'm going to use it, you know, during some month, or maybe I'll use it during the weekly. This one is super cute. This is also another one of those. So I'll use this one for probably like June or July. It's really kind of like, I think better for like April or May, but those months have passed. And then I also ordered this planner Folio. So I got it to match my current planner, which also matches my mouse pad. I'm not going to go grab my mouse pad, but I have a mouse pad from Erin Condren that looks exactly like this, like legitimately exactly like this. So anyway, let's see what this is about. It could be me, but it looks like, I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me see. It might be me. Yeah, I don't think you're going to be able to see it. I feel like this has a few imperfections. That's okay. So here's the back. The back is black. I believe all of these are back. All of the backs are black and not the design that you choose. So you can choose whatever design you want, but I'm pretty sure I have heard that all of the backs are black. And then it has like this little pleather Erin Condren logo label on the back. So this is what, oh, this is cute. So you have this pouch here, this pouch, this little pouch. You get a, I guess, I don't know if it, you know, you don't get to pick the color of this loop for sure. I guess it just depends on which one you order. Maybe they just match it the best that they can. I know they have gold, silver, or platinum. and then rose gold little loops. So I guess they just match it that way. And then here is the inside. So let's just see what this looks like. Okay, that looks nice. So there's our planner. Let's see, let's close it without adding anything else. You may have to lose that. Oh, we're gonna have to lose our bow as well. That's how it's fitting so far. And I have a 12-month planner with very minimal add-ons. That's how that's looking. I was gonna see like if we put some stuff in here. Let's see. Let's see if we put, actually let's see if this sticker sheet fits. It technically would, but it would be a tight squeeze, so we don't want to do that. Let's put the budget stickers in here. I'm just trying to see what we can get away with. Okay, those will fit, you know, greatly. That would fit without the plastic. Just want to see how much stuff we can put in here and get away with. That would fit in here too without the plastic. I just want to see what we can get away with. So let's put a pin here and one here. I feel like this isn't going to be, this is going to be the struggle. And some scissors. And that's probably all we're going to be able to get away with. Let's put our paper clip there. That's cute. Okay. Well, it's actually not too bad. Very tight squeeze, but it doesn't look bad at all. Yeah. I want to kind of see what capacity would be like. I think we already have plenty of stuff. Let's see if we wanted to put like a sticker book in here. And we'll put this ruler. We'll put this bag. I mean, I'm just putting random stuff in here. We'll put this in here. I feel like these are all of my essentials. I'm actually going to a planner meetup this weekend, so I think I may take this. It stretches really well. That doesn't look bad. That was a tight squeeze, obviously. So I would say this is pretty much capacity because it's kind of like busting at the seams here at the top. So I probably wouldn't put, you know, too much more than this. I mean, that was already a tight squeeze. But for the most part, I think this is, you know, super cute, super functional, and I have plenty of stuff inside of this. So I just wanted to do like a little unboxing and a review of this just so you guys could see. I'm actually going to now do a review of these two things, but I'm going to separate the video just in case. The reason why I like to do that is so when people search for like particular videos, they'll like be led to the right direction. That's something that I've been learning to do on YouTube. Like instead of, you know, entitling it, you know, planner folio review and budget book and budget sticker book review, like titling it all of that, I think it's just too much because people want to, you know, they might want to come to see the planner folio unboxing or review, or they may want to see just this. You get what I'm saying? So I'm going to do this separately. I think I'm going to be giving these two things away. And I might be doing that while I'm on my cruise, which by the time that you guys see this, my cruise will be the following week. So if you are not already Follow me on Instagram at ShayBudgets, ShayBudgets, so that you guys can stay in the know whenever I do giveaways, because I want all of my subscribers to be able to, you know, get something that I'm giving away. So if you don't follow me for any other reason, follow me so that you can be entered into the giveaways whenever I do those. So I'm going to review these two in a separate video. If you want to see this, subscribe so that you get notifications, or just check back on my channel at a later date to see that I have done that. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.